Okay, here we are on ground level, looking at the deck at the rear of the house at 321. Again, this landscaping here next to the stairway can remain. The area does not require remediation, and the soil here underneath the stairway does not require remediation. However, we will try to remediate this landscaping area here, catching the edge of the pavers, so between the pavers and the fence, and around the brick circle. So here's sort of another shot of the pavers. I am standing at the foot of the stairs. Another shot of the yard here. Here's the brick circle. The brick circle is to remain. Landscaping at the edge of the brick circle, and we should plan on remediating within this landscaping. We may ask E&E to run a test on the soil to check lead content. If there is no lead, we may not, we might leave it, but I think we should plan on remediating that. Just sort of looking around the circle here. Here's a swing set. That's the shed behind the adjacent lot, or at the rear of the adjacent lot to the north. Here's the shed in the back of 321. And then another shot of the landscaping around the brick circle, and again we need to remediate within this landscaping. Here's the decomposed granite walk. We do not need to remediate the decomposed granite. Heading toward the breezeway and the side yards. Here is the side yard breezeway. Note that the house does extend over the breezeway, so the house, the upper story of the house, does extend to the property line. We definitely need to remediate the breezeway area here, because this is where lead chips would have collected. Here's a gate. I will get another video on the other side of the gate when I catch the front part of these lots. Here's a look at the adjacent lot, the deck outside the adjacent lot, and in the background you can see the northernmost lot, 327, possibly one other address. I'll have to check that from the front. And here's a look from the breezeway between the two corners of the two properties. Lots of landscaping. Again, we still need to conduct the owner interviews for the two lots to the north of 321 to confirm what they do and do not want us to keep. The owner has stated that they will work with their neighbors to stage materials, or to stage the items in the backyard, the potted plants and such that they want to keep on the brick circle. So it will be out of our way. We should probably plan on providing some assistance in that if necessary.